Number 1. Jushan New Type 20 Pieces Flex Head Ratchet Wrench Set. New Type Wrench Combination Kit forged from high-quality chrome vanadium steel material with mirror polish treatment on the surface, exceptional durability and long-lasting corrosion-resistant strength. Flex Head Ratcheting Combination Wrench adopting precise 72-tooth ratchet gears. Socket sets feature quick release, smoothly pivoting through 180 degrees. The heads hold any angle to slide onto fasteners, which is easier and more labor-saving than other wrenches. The flexible head allows you to leverage and bypass obstacles at any desired angle, ideal for tight space designs. Extra precise ratcheting wrench is faster to use in tight spaces than a standard wrench because it allows you to have continuous engaged with the bolt while you tighten it.
Number 2. Tekton 3/8" Drive Folding Quick Release Ratchet. This ratchet uses 90-tooth ratchet mechanism in the ultra-compact 3/8" drive head. Designed for use in minimal access spaces, the ratchet provides leverage and high speed. Fully extends into a small offset ratchet and partially folded positions. The handle gets out of the way for greater access, and the fully closed position, it is an ergonomic palm ratchet. The joint is non-locking for continuous range and stiff so that it doesn't flop around. Number 3. Capro 353 Professional Legit Tri and Miter Square. The Capro 353 Professional Legit Tri and Miter Square features retractable ledge support for easy, hands-free use. The stainless steel ruler has permanently etched gradation for long-lasting accuracy. The first 4 inches are increment 1/32 for fine and accurate measurements, extending to 1/16 of an inch for the remainder of the blade's length. Its blade has marking holes at 10 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 50 degrees, and 60 degrees for angle marking, and includes openings every 1/4 inch for fluid and parallel pencil markings. This durable stainless steel ruler can be used for drywall, construction, and technical drafting. The 353 features an aluminum cast handle and 3 milled surfaces for maximum precision. Number 4. Mornagina dial indicator with magnetic base 0 to 1 inch tester gauge, applicable to various comparative measurements in the workshop and inspection room. It can be used with machine tools, equipment, and other measuring equipment to compare 2 heights or distances between narrow limits, to determine the errors in the geometrical form, to take accurate measurements of deformation, to take determined positional errors of surface, and to check the alignment of lathe centers. Number 5. Hide Contour Scraper with 6 changeable blades. This professional-grade stainless steel scraper removes paint, varnish, putty, caulk, or rust from virtually any surface. 6 changeable blades fit into corners, curves, and small channels and can be sharpened for repeat use. A great problem solver for contractors, homeowners, furniture refinishers, and anyone else with a serious job to tackle. Number 6. Toolant Impact Hex Head Allen Wrench Drill Bit Set. Widely used in home repairs, automobiles, and other screw driving applications. Number 7. Klein Tools Wire Cutter and Wire Stripper. Klein Tools' popular catapult tool is now a stripper and cutter, too. Use the built-in cutting hole to cleanly cut 8 to 20 AWG solid and 10 to 22 AWG stranded wire, while the stripping head allows you to easily grip and strip just by squeezing the handle. Made of cast alloy with a heavy-duty E-coat finish for corrosion resistance and durability. Number 8. WorkPro 12-in-1 Ratcheting Multi-Bit Screwdriver Set. Ratchet design breaks through the limitations of the direction. Convenient switch for forward and reverse ratcheting and locking position, saves time and effort. Patented auto-locking, quick-load ratchet mechanism provides one-handed bit loading lock. Slip resistance grip for comfortable holding and higher torque output. Features with ergonomic handle, reduce hand labor during use. Number 9. WGG EWG026 10 pieces and 5 colors test lead set and alligator clips. Perfect for electrical testing such as experiments, breadboarding, prototyping, troubleshooting. Widely used in laboratories, shops, schools, home, and industry. Number 10. Pica SB Dry Long Lift Automatic Pen. It's special for all graphite lead 2B makes marking possible on almost all surfaces, no matter if dry or wet, glossy or rough, dusty or oily. Wipe clean from glossy surfaces with a damp cloth. Most versatile capabilities due to special color leads for bright or dark surfaces and water-soluble or water-resistant. Convenient quiver cap with special clip for perfect one-handed handling. The integrated sharpener in the quiver cap, always and immediately at hand.